Are you looking for the perfect hotel or staycation in Phnom Penh? Check out iRoHa. Hi. Eric, Simon, and William here, and my school's on a holiday this week, which is fantastic. And so what we wanted to do was to take a nice vacation, but we didn't really want to spend the money this time of going outside of Phnom Penh. Normally we go to another country or some other part of Cambodia, but this time we have decided that we're just going to stay and save some money by going on a staycation. And so where we have chosen is iRoHa Garden and Resort here in Phnom Penh, only about 1 kilometer away from our home. It's right in the middle of Phnom Penh, but at the same time, it's almost like you're in the middle of the countryside. You would never believe at this place that you were in the middle of a bustling city. One of the most interesting places about iRoHa Resort is the location. It's at the end of a street that's gated, which is something I've not seen before. You can see the gate all the way down there. I'm guessing that it's because maybe somebody really important lives here. In any case, the street is just covered in all these beautiful trees and these lovely houses and mansions. You would never know that there was a hotel here at all. It's just it's so well hidden. And the only sign that there's a hotel here at all is just this sign right here, which says iRoHa Garden Hotel and Resort. Once you open up this black door, you're greeted with paradise. So nice. Everything about this place is extremely beautiful. And what is inside of our room? Room 23. Wow. What a nice room. How do you like the room, Simai? 10 out of 10.
So good, smell lemongrass and fresh air condition. They turn on aircon waiting for you and strong aircon, smell good.
That's right, the aircon was on waiting for us. And look at these nice chairs here at the balcony. Look at that nice view. You can see the pool. Isn't that nice? Decorations are tasteful. Isn't that nice?
You like it? William show me. You like it?
Yeah.
Where you sleep tonight?
On the pillow.
On the bed or on the floor?
Look at this nice rain shower they have here. Very tasteful. Everything is really great here. We are really liking it. Coming out of the room and down these little stairs, you see this building, which is actually a 1960s villa. And this has been basically renovated, reworked in order to become this lovely hotel, iRoHa Garden Hotel. There's tons of places for you just to lay out and relax pretty much everywhere you go. The decoration is almost impossibly tasteful. Go down the stairs. And where do you end up but yet another place where you can rest and recreate. One for each floor, all tastefully decorated. There's tons of places for you to rest and relax in whatever way or location that you want. There is also a spa. And this spa has room for two. So you can do like a couples massage if you don't have a 3-year-old. Why, if you want, you can even say hello to the house cat. Hello, meow meow. Hello, house cat. Oh my gosh, you're so fat. Why are you so fat? Why are you such a fatty fat, I don't understand how you can be such a fatty. Going down to the first floor, you have this lovely lobby. Look at this nice area where you can eat breakfast, and this is where we were greeted when we arrived. Everybody here has been incredibly friendly. You go outside and you have this really nice garden area. Gosh, like just this area alone is like the kind of place where you can just kick back and relax. Like, look how just lush and how green everything is. Oh my goodness. It's called the iRoHa Garden Resort because it is like a garden out here. Everywhere you look, it's just tons of greenery. You can really hear the birds. They're chirping like crazy. This is important. It says the garden is only for overnight guests. Excuse me, bird. Are you an overnight guest? Excuse me. Unlike many hotels that allow you to pay a fee to come in if you just want to use the pool, here you can't do that. Here you've got to be an overnight guest in order to use the pool or the garden. The garden here is so nice. Look at these wonderful traveler's palms. Oh, I love them. And the garden continues. You can go sit under this nice tree here. The leaves are just so dense. At the very back, you can also get one of these really nice villas. And I mean, they're really nice. Everything is just so perfect in here. Got the closet space, you've got the great looking shower there. And the bed, which is huge, looks out over a couch, a bar, and the absolute perfect office space. Wow. Like, you can just sit here, work, and look out over this incredible garden. Got nice views on the side too. And right back there is your bed. Like a person could live here long term. Forget just staying as like a hotel. It's just so nice. I might just have to book myself one of these next time. We even saw some hornbills flying by here earlier. And here at the center is this very nice pool, which looks particularly inviting today due to the Cambodian heat. The pool and everything is just wonderful. Isn't that nice? Simai, do you like it?
A lot.
A lot.
So good. It's very charming, very green, very nature. Staff very smiling and very welcome. Very polite and very friendly and very clean.
It's very
And
clean.
let's have fun up there. William, you like this hotel?
Yes.
It's good, right?
It's hard to believe that all this luxury is just $184 for 2 nights. And that includes a wonderful meal, which we're going to clue you into later. Also, when we arrived, there were welcome drinks and people were very attentive. And the owner, who's Japanese, came and talked to us. And I get the feeling he talks to every single person who walks through here. And so what I'm trying to say is so far it's just been wonderful for a staycation. Oh, what's this? This isn't for us, is it? Oh, wow, thank you. The badge with her name, it says no English. Now we know, but look at this. They're just bringing us stuff as soon as we get out by the pool, like we didn't even ask. We appear to have like a mango, yes, a couple different desserts.
And healthy drink.
Oh, this really
From
nice.
the cocoa flower.
Yeah, right. What's it called?
Thai language we call anchan. อร่อยไหมลูก You like it?
Wow. Such good tea. At the pool, there is, of course, a restaurant and a bar. And it's got a pretty decent selection of both Khmer and Western cuisine. And all kinds of pretty tasty cocktails, if you like cocktails. And a pretty reasonable menu in general. The breakfast here is great. So it's not a buffet, not quite. But instead you sit down at one of these nice tables and you just pick from this menu. I don't just mean pick one thing. You can pick really anything that you want in any quantity that you want, so long as you can eat it. As long as you finish it, you can do pretty much whatever you want here with the food. I'm looking forward to eating here. What do you think of this menu, Saimai? You can just order all you want.
Want to eat everything?
And what a nice morning it is to go and eat everything. I ordered as separate things: bacon, toast, a baguette, some French toast with no fruit, and some pumpkin soup. And then also some coffee. Saimai also ordered her various things.
It's hot.
And they said, we'll just leave the menu here so that you can continue to order pretty much everything that you want. And just look how nice it is. Like, they're bringing it out as it's being made. The bacon was made very quickly. And what fancy, sweet, delicious bacon this is. Like, it's almost like it's a honey bacon. And the baguette looks really good with a nice presentation. I've got to say, this pumpkin soup looks heavenly. That is so good. Creamy, squashy. The flavor is perfect. The food here is great. Saimai, your noodles don't look too bad either.
Yes, sure.
And then look at this fancy French toast. The middle is soft, but not gooey. And the outside is crisp, almost like it's caramelized.
Okay, now no time.
I've never had French toast like this before, or anything at all quite like this before. They're good.
Fried rice.
William's fried rice. We have asked for a smaller portion, and there it is. Looks great. What is this, William? It's fried rice.
Fried rice.
You must know it's fried rice. Saimai ordered a Khmer breakfast, and this is what came. Saimai, what do you think of your Khmer breakfast?
Looks beautiful.
I know.
Yes.
Thank you. Coffee. That was honestly one of the best breakfasts I've had in a long time. It almost seems like every plate they brought out, I was excited to just see how they've improved in some way upon the normal fare. Everything they've served us here has been beyond top notch and has blown our expectations away. I just can't believe it. Such a good breakfast. Highly recommended. Well, that was our staycation at iRoHa Hotel in Phnom Penh, and boy, it's just a wonderful place. Highly recommended. Great food, great room, great service, great vibe, great everything. And I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. And most importantly, we'll see you next.
Yeah.
William. Bye-bye.